Hi guys, so I've got another video for you today. I wasn't able to record my session and show you exactly where I got in, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through my trade and show you exactly what I've seen and what happened. So just to confirm, today's date is the 29th of June, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow you to see all the markings. So if we look at the chart here, we've got 7 o'clock right here. Market came first down to take out the lows, and then what I did was when I seen this move here, I assumed that this was the fair value gap that I was looking for. But the one thing that I forgot and I should have remembered is the only movement we got after 7 o'clock was down. There was no high broken in order for me to validate a short on GBPJPY. My bias was that I was bearish on this. So you can see that I took an entry there and I got stopped out because I put the stop loss here and I got stopped out there. So when I got stopped out the first time, I seen the market push up, come into this fair value gap, push up even more. There's a 15-minute high there and there's 15-minute equal highs back here that we talked about yesterday. So went straight for that, didn't reach the 15-minute fair value gap here. So that's what I was waiting for, but prior to that happening or failing that it went up there, what happened is we got this big decline down. When this decline down happened, after this candle right here, you can see that this had caused a 5-minute fair value gap, and it also has created a 15-minute fair value gap. Now the 15-minute fair value gap has not been touched yet. The 5-minute fair value gap has, and you can see that in the 3-minute time frame, I decided to put a sell for GBPJPY because we were above here, and my stop loss was above here, and the first target that I was looking for was right here. Now, I was possibly a little too keen on bringing my stop loss lower down, and you can see here that is where I got stopped at a break even after taking off partials. Yes, that was probably my mistake. I was a bit too eager to try and move my stop loss to break even after taking partials, but nonetheless I managed to take a trade in here. I managed to take some profit from the market. So if we just calculate that, what we have is around about 33 pips I got out of the market. Had I not moved my stop loss too quickly, we had this low which was taken out during the New York afternoon session, and that would have been a very nice trade. So yes, I did make some profit on this trade, but I've learned a lesson as well to not to get too eager on trying to move my stop loss, and as you can see, around about 59 pips is something that I missed. So yeah, I was happy with this trade again. Not so happy with this trade because obviously I entered and I was too eager to sell when I should have waited for a high to be broken, which is exactly what I did. Then it decided to drop. So yeah, that was my trade. If I take this off, go into the 1 minute time, 1 hour chart, you can see, so we filled here, move into the 15-minute time frame, just to show you, So there's that fair value gap that I was talking about. So what we've got is we've got this low, we've got this break, and we've got this fair value gap. So I'm thinking they might try and come for this tomorrow, or possibly even try and come for the fair value gap here, because not only do we have a fair value gap, but we also have relative equal highs. So there's 1, there's 2, and now that's 3, almost relative equal highs. So they might even try and come for this. So if I look at the daily time frame, quite a small range candle compared to, for example, this day, this day, this day, and this day. So quite small candles. I think they might push and have a big push tomorrow. They might try and go for this, I think, but only time will tell. So yeah, that was my trade. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood what I did and hopefully learn from my mistakes of trying to be too eager when trying to enter in a position. If I have a trade tomorrow, I will try and walk you through that as well. And yeah, just like I said, I'm trying to be as transparent as I can. So when I take a loss, I'm going to show you why I took a loss, where I took a loss, and what my thinking was on the reasons for me having a losing trade. But if you like that type of video and you just don't like seeing, constantly someone showing you profits or showing you winning trades, I want to be as transparent as possible to show you, okay, does the method actually work and can I actually make money out of the method? So yeah, so if I have a trade tomorrow, I'll update you guys, I'll make a video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I will speak to you guys tomorrow.